Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a Christmas tree using the simple materials. First, fold the paper into a cone shape and then secure it with the glue. Next, I had this green lace with me, so I'm just going to wrap it around the cone using the hot glue gun. This Christmas, I'll be decorating my house using the simple DIY projects which I have made, and you can find those videos in my YouTube channel. Please do check it and please try them. So once I am done, I'm going to cut the excess lace, and then I had few beads with me, so I'm just going to add those beads and going to decorate my Christmas tree. So following these few simple steps, you can DIY your own Christmas tree and decorate your house. So please do try and let me know in the comments. Happy crafting and Merry Christmas in advance. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share.